Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write easy, simple and short essay on Mahatma Gandhi. You can also write this essay under the topic Write a 10-line essay on Mahatma Gandhi. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. Second line is, his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Third line is, he is referred to as the father of the nation. Fourth line is, he was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Fifth line is, he battled for India's liberation from British domination. Sixth line is, he believed in truth and non-violence. Seventh line is, he inspired people to live a simple life. Eighth line is, he showed that we can fight powerful enemies with peace, unity and strong will. Ninth line is, he assisted the impoverished battled against untouchability, and advocated for khadi and self-sufficiency. Last line, that is line number 10, is he died on 30th January 1948, yet his lessons continue to motivate individuals globally.